In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to publish a blog post on your WordPress website. This is perfect for adding studio updates, sharing helpful information, and articles with your clients. First, we already need to be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once there, we're going to navigate on the left screen to Posts. Click on Add Post, and a new screen will open here. You will start by adding your blog post title, which I will do from one of my saved ones that I already prepared. You can copy and paste the text directly from your file. Next, we will add the rest of the post content into our blog. You can type directly or copy and paste from your other file. When you're editing your content, you can add different titles. So if you already have your post formatted in Google Docs, Pages, or Word doc, all the formatting will come through on this side as well. So you can add a heading. If you want to add a new element, we'll click Enter. Heading. You can change the heading to heading 3, heading 4, Usually, you will be using heading 2 for most of the headings. If you want to add bullets, you will look for a block that's called List. You can change it from unordered bullets to ordered bullets. So over here, we will say item 1, item 2, and so on and so forth. When you're ready to finish adding your bullets, just click Enter twice, and you will be able to add more text. If you only want to use regular paragraph text, you can type directly in the document. You can also change your text to different formatting. In your editing panel, click on the paragraph and change it to heading, list, or even quote. If you want to add an image, you will click on the plus again and look for image is one of the options. You can open the media library to insert one of the existing images, or you can upload a new file directly from here. If you want to add a video, you can use the URL from YouTube or Vimeo directly here. Click on YouTube Embed, and you will paste the shareable YouTube link here. You might also want to add links to your blog post. This can be done by highlighting the text, for example, the word Pilates, and clicking on the hyperlink. If you're linking to one of the existing pages or blog posts on the website, you can search for your post or page directly here. For example, I'm going to look for Pilates. We have tags. We have Pilates for rehabilitation. So maybe I will link to this specific one. If you want to remove the link, you will simply click on Remove Link icon. You have regular formatting options like bold text, italics. You can also change the font size, small, medium, or put your actual sizing in here. For example, if you want this text to be extra large, you will give it a font size of 40 pixels. You can change the text color or the background for your text. You can review more of the block choices by clicking on the plus sign in the top left corner and previewing all of the available blocks and options. There are quite a few of them, and we won't have time to go through all of them in this tutorial. Once you're ready, navigate back into the right sidebar. Set the featured image for your blog post. This image will be used as the header image and also will be displayed on the blog archive pages. You can select one from the library. When you're setting up featured images, it's best that you choose horizontal images, not vertical ones, because otherwise they will be cropped or they will not be displayed properly in the layouts. Horizontal are always best. So for example, this one would be a great fit. Check to make sure the author is set to you. You can change the slug for your blog post if you want to make it something shorter for SEO purposes or for easier sharing. And you can find a category. You already have some categories set up, so you can choose one. If you want to add a new category, click on Add New Category. Make sure to click Add Category first, and then make sure that it's selected here. You don't have to add tags. Usually we don't use them a lot on our websites. Finally, you might want to check some of the SEO settings. The SEO settings can be configured here. One of the settings that you can set up is the title tag and meta description. You can also set the social image. So this is the image that will be displayed as a preview when you share this post on Facebook, and also if you share it in some of the other platforms or even through text messaging. Click on the choose an image and again select one of the images over here. Horizontal layout is best for sharing. It can be the same image that you set up as a featured one, or it can be something different. In this case, we will set up the same image here. You can choose the one for X as well if you know that you will be sharing this post on X. Once you're done, you can save draft or you can publish the post directly. If you want to schedule a post, which means that it will not be published immediately, but will be published in the future, you can click on immediately and change the date of publication. For this one, I want this post to be published on June 4th. This comes in really helpful if you want to schedule several posts in advance, maybe for the upcoming month, so that you don't have to come back to it and do this work all the time. You can also preview the post. View, Preview a new tab. You will see exactly how your post is displayed here. Once you're done, click Schedule or Publish, and you're done.